Editing your Odoo website is a user-friendly process, allowing you to customize content, design, and layout. Here's how to do it. Log into Odoo. Start by logging into your Odoo account using your administrator credentials. Access the website module. From the dashboard, click on the website module to enter the website editing area. Enter edit mode. Once in the website module, navigate to the page you want to edit. Click on the edit button at the top right corner of the screen. This will enable the editing interface. Modify content. You can click on any text or image to edit it directly. Use the toolbar that appears to format text, add links, or change images. To add new content blocks, click on the plus button to access available options, such as text, images, or buttons. Adjust layout. To rearrange elements, simply drag and drop them to your desired location on the page. Preview changes. Use the preview option to see how your changes will look to visitors. Save changes. Once you're satisfied with your edits, click the Save button to apply the changes to your live website.